classic. Always gotta pay your respects when you visit a park like this. There's 3 lift hills on this ride. Oh. That's a beautiful view. Oh, it's janky. Oh my god. It's very janky. But fun. Whoa! Whoa! A little airtime pop. Oh my god, this thing is so janky. I love it. Woo! Oh my gosh. Ow! Into a tunnel. It's a pretty cool layout though, the way it interacts with the terrain. Oh boy. Second left hill. Little tame section here. I think I remember this. It's been a while though. Oh, there's Shockwave. I'm looking forward to getting back on that Schwarzkopf coaster. Last I rode it, I didn't love it as much as I thought I would, but hopefully this time that changes. Yay, building up some speed. Here we go. It's a really fun little ride, honestly. Whoa! And third lift. This is the best part of the ride, easily. Look at this, you go into a saloon. Whoa! And then I remember this drop being pretty crazy as well. You go underground. Oh my god, look at that thing. It's a little bit of a steep drop. Here we go. Whoa! And out we go. Out we go. Oh! It's a fun ride. I really enjoyed that for what it is.